Hi friends, today we're going to see how to create a blog and how to add image, links and table. I think that you have very well know about the overview of HTML and creating a simple blog. If you have not know that, understand that and come or watch our videos about HTML that we have posted earlier. I have attached both the link in the description. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel for more videos. Let's get into the video. HTML attributes. Attributes provide additional information about an element or a tag while also modifying them. Most attributes have a value. The value modifies the attribute. In this example, the value center indicates the content within the P element should be aligned to the center. Attributes are always specified in a start tag and they appear as name value pairs. Let's see this program. The content is aligned at the center. Attribute measurements. As an example, we can modify horizontal line so it has a width of 50 pixel. This can be done by using the width attribute. An element's width can also define using percentages or pixels. The align attribute is used to specify how the text is aligned. In the example below, we have a paragraph that is aligned to the center and a line that is aligned to the left. The align attribute p tag is not supported in HTML5. Images. The image tag is used to insert an image. It contains only attributes and does not have a closing tag. The image URL address can be defined using src attribute. The alt attribute specifies an alternate text for an image. Image location. You need to put the image in the location for the src attribute, that is between the quotation marks. For example, if you have a photo named 3jpg in the same folder as the HTML file. Image resizing. To define the image size, use the width and height attributes. The value can be specified in pixel or percentages. Image border. By default, the image has no borders. Use the border attribute within the image tag to create a border around the image. By default, the Internet Explorer 9 and its earlier version display a border around the image unless a border attribute is defined. Let's see this program. In this program, start and end with HTML tag as usual, and inside the HTML tag there's a head tag. Inside the head tag, which are non-visual elements, inside the head tag there's a title tag. The title is first page. Followed to the head tag there is a body tag. Inside the body tag, which are the visual elements. The output of this code is the image display with the border. Links. Links are also an integral part of every web page. You can add links to the text or image that will be enabled to the users click on them in order to be directed to the another file or other web page. In HTML, links are defined using a tag. Use href attribute to define the link's destination address. Creating our first link. In the example below, the link YouTuber's website is defined. Once the code has been saved, watch your favorite will display as a link. Clicking on watch your favorite redirects you to YouTube's website. Links can be either absolute or relative. The target attribute. The target attribute specifies where to open the linked document. Giving a blank value to your attribute will have a link open in a new window or new tab. List. There are two types of list. First one is order list, next one is unordered list. First we see the order list. An order list start with OL tag. Each of list item is defined by LI tag. Here is an example for order list. As usual, the HTML program starts and ends with HTML tag. Inside that, there's a head tag, which are non-visual elements. There's a title tag as first page, followed by the head tag. There's a body tag. Inside the body tag, there is an OL tag, which is order list. Inside the OL tag, there is LI tag, which is the item list. Red, green, blue are the outputs which are printed with numbers, which are automatically marked with numbers in the output. Next, unordered list. UL tag is to define the unordered list. Let's see this program. This, as usual in the old program, all are same, but OL tag change as UL tag. The difference in the output is order list are mentioned as automatically 1 2 3, and in unordered list automatically marked with bullets in the output. Next, creating a table. Tables are defined by using table tag. Tables are divided into table rows with the TR tag. Table rows are divided into table columns, table data with the TD tag. Here is an example of a table with one row and three columns. Table data tags, TD tag, act as a data containers within the table. They can contain all sorts of HTML elements such as text, image, list, other tables, and so on. Border and correspond attributes. A border can added using the border attribute. A table cell can span two or more cell columns. The border attribute is not supported in HTML5. Call span attribute. The example below demonstrates the call span attribute in action. You can see the cell containing orange spans two cells. To make a cell span more than one row, use call span attribute. The align and background color attributes. To change the table's position, use align attribute inside your table tag. Now let's specify a background color of a red for a table cell. To do that, just use bg color attribute. For color, use the spelling COLOR, not COLOUR. In case of styling elements, CSS is more effective than HTML. I hope all you will understand this program. Thank you for watching.